A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is self-transformation mantra, building bond with the divine intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, in the silent harmony of the cosmos, every element is precisely aligned, deeply aware, and unfailingly responsive. Human life is not outside this divine design, but intricately embedded within it. Every heartbeat, thought, and breath is part of an infinite matrix of intelligence, alive, sensitive, and supremely purposeful. The journey of self-transformation begins with this understanding. Existence is not accidental. It is encoded, empowered, and guided by a cosmic intelligence that flows through all that is seen and unseen, finite and infinite. The ancient seers declared, Tat Tavam Asai, thou art that, reminding humankind that the spark of the divine exists within. Modern science now echoes this. Human DNA is a reservoir of immense potential, a biological scripture holding codes of brilliance awaiting activation through conscious living. It is not the external alone, but the inner alignment that triggers expression. This expression is fueled by energy, not only physiological but psychological, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational. The entire human system is an energetic field interwoven with the flow of cosmic prana, the universal life force. The brain serves as a receptor and transmitter. It needs refined energy to function at higher frequencies that allow awareness, learning, and communion with the greater intelligence. The Upanishads spoke of the mind as a chariot needing discipline and guidance to move toward truth. Thoughts are more than mental flickers. They are energetic imprints. Each one generates a wave that either aligns with or distorts the cosmic field. Positive, purposeful thoughts harmonize the field, inviting progressive responses. Unfocused or negative thought patterns generate dissonance, blocking guidance. Cosmic intelligence is never absent. It responds through synchronicities, intuitions, subtle signs, what ancient wisdom called the inner voice or Antaratma. But to hear it, the inner system must be attuned. Direction setting, daily discipline, and a practice rooted in awareness are essential. This is where the transformation begins. What's the way forward? The path ahead lies in remembrance and reconnection with the self, with the source, with the sacred intelligence that guides all life. Ancient wisdom prescribed not mere rituals but inner states, meditation, stillness, gratitude, and inner devotion as bridges to the divine. Emotion becomes a sacred force when elevated by sincerity and intention. Love, reverence, awe, these open the portals to divine inflow. Through such emotional sincerity, the brain and heart together tune into guidance not available in noise but in silence. Two-way communion begins. Inner questions invite outer synchronicity. Reflection deepens. Transformation unfolds. It is through this sustained communion that realignment occurs, not once but continually, transforming thoughts into tools and actions into expressions of higher purpose. The five sacred streams, truth, compassion, wisdom, courage, and consciousness become the touchstones. They are not distant ideals, but accessible forces, present and ready to assist the sincere seeker. Nourished by these, the self becomes ready to rise, recalibrate, and to radiate. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in every age, across every culture, the path of transformation has called the human spirit not to escape life, but to embody it fully, radiantly, truthfully. The divine is not distant, it is intimate, responsive, and lovingly present. As profoundly stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna declares to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, fix the mind on me, be devoted to me, offer worship and bow to me. In truth, one who does so shall come to me. I promise, for such a soul is dear to me. This divine guidance led Arjuna from a state of confusion and inner turbulence to enlightenment of spirit and clarity of purpose. This defined his movement of self-transformation and a great victory ahead. This is not merely a spiritual verse or narration. It is a vow of divine companionship, a reminder that the Creator is never separate from the creation, and transformation is not a lonely climb but a guided evolution. The mantra is timeless and yet timely. Align, reflect, connect, and transform. Through this sacred rhythm, the soul begins to remember its own radiance. In that remembrance, every mind finds peace, every heart finds courage, every life finds its sacred direction. The bond with the divine is not a destination, it is the source. And when that bond is built, the self becomes not just better, but boundless. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.